Happy Monday after spring break, stat students. If you only do the bare minimum, don't expect anything but bare minimum results as 3-time Defensive Player of the Year, D.H Watts. We'll do that later. That'd be good for us. About senioritis. Week 12, March 31st, April 4th, 2025. We are in the middle of our programming. It's a little bit different than SQL. Tech issues. I got to call you guys up for your content engagement and then tell you guys from your trackers. Okay, so I don't know why it's not up to me, but Coursera doesn't put them in order. So I clicked a random student, and basically by, I forgot the deadline, like May 2nd. It's a Friday. You need the words completed by all 8 courses. Now, I call it 8 courses because last year they had courses 1 to 8, and currently we're on 7. And this year they changed course 8 to called a C for capstone. Now, again, it's not capstone for Savannah. It's capstone for the Google certificate, okay? So this is what it looks like on my end. I need to see the words completed. And basically, course 8 is completed when you submit a project. They call it a capstone project. So some people ask, why do we do a capstone at Savannah? I think it's actually a really good thing because when I got my master's, the end thing was called the capstone project or capstone paper. So everyone uses the capstone as a culminating summative assessment. I'm going to tell you where you're at when we do your student tracker this week. So hopefully you're on pace. All right, guys, 4th quarter, 6 days in, 13% done. Second semester is, I don't think that's right, 53% done, and then we are 79% done with the school year. That sounds about right. I only have 2 more grades to submit. 4th quarter progress reports, if you want anything to count, April 16th, which is in 2 weeks, but it's going to be a fast 2 weeks. Start preparing for your capstone. I'm getting capstone emails as well about the interviews that are coming up. Definitely watch my video, the do's and don'ts. We talked about the release questions. Your phones are away. 1047 subscribers are about 23 away. Ooh, this week's Steampalooza. If you are planning to go, if you're not planning to go, I'm willing to clear up to 15 detentions. It's a bonus of 3 detentions. Well, how do you get that? You have to sign in and out and stay the whole time. Now, if you're only staying for like an hour, then every detention is 20 minutes. So you'll serve some. But if you stay the whole time, I'm giving you a bonus. Now, the mistake last year was some students signed in but didn't sign out. Okay. So they will reveal a spreadsheet to us, and all the things we learned in this class, I can import that spreadsheet, and I need to see both sign in and sign out, okay? This week, you should be finishing 7.3. We got that on Friday before spring break. 7.4 is super short, and then I'll be passing out 7.5, and I think next Tuesday, everyone say next Tuesday, you should be done with course 7. Okay, I'm trying to put you at a pace because if not, binge watching at the end is not fun. Okay, the first time ever on Wednesday, we have a special data interview. We have a data interview with a former Savannah student who sat in this room, who completed the Google certificate, who now is not completely doing data, but she's getting a minor in like political science data. Okay, so we're going to interview her, and what's going to be different is I'm just going to do a quick, like I just want to catch up with her, but you guys are going to ask the questions. So all the things that you learned about, public speaking, professional questions, asking good data questions, you guys are going to do it. So I'm going to call in your name. You'll come up here and you'll get to see her face to face. Okay. So I'm super excited. That'll be on Wednesday.